Good afternoon, I'm Matthew Guilfoy, and this is the impact of accounting on an organization. Accounting is a unique term that can be applied to many different facets of business, not just the monetary aspect. We use accounting to account for budgets, inventory, equipment, plant assets, bills, receivables, and so on. Financial information is interpreted and understood in the same fashion all around the world. Accounting as a language assists people understand what is happening in a business both internally and externally. Business professionals utilize accounting to determine how a business is performing. Through the use of income reports, expense reports, balance sheets, and audits, all monetary transactions can be tracked and used to determine whether the business is financially stable. The accounting process is a valuable tool to determine budgetary concerns and used to prepare for future endeavors. Accounting affects all aspects of a business. The warehousing, purchasing, and receiving of a business's products and goods is an imperative aspect of the accounting process, as that company's inventory is its livelihood. An accurate inventory will ensure the company can meet the demands of the consumers they serve. Personnel who deal with the company's inventory have an enormous amount of responsibility tracking and accounting for the company's assets. Inventory can be found on a balance sheet and then is accounted for when it's sold on the income statement. Credit departments align their operations within company guidelines to offer clients reasonable and realistic options for paying their accounts. Accounts receivable is responsible for receiving payment from the company's customers. They track customer accounts to ensure they are meeting their requirements and contact those who are overdue on their accounts and take measures to collect. The accounts payable department pays the company bills with the approval of the appropriate authority within the organization. This department is responsible for processing and paying bills the company is liable for. Finally, one of the external users of a company's accounting information are the would-be investors. Investors use a company's accounting information to determine whether they want to invest in that business. The accounting documents will allow them to gauge performance using metrics such as inventory turnover, liquidity, and stock performance. Without the knowledge of basic accounting principles, it is impossible to make informed decisions about investing. The accounting process of a business is far-reaching and touches every aspect of a company's functions. It's imperative that managers have a grasp on how their operations impact the budget and ultimately the accounting process.